to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela Simone, and my content is kind of geared towards lifestyle videos, being a mom, crime documentaries, and beauty. So if you think this is some of the topics that you're interested in, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm gonna get right into this video. Today we are taking off my wig because, child, it's time to put this thing in the trash. I feel like you really know when it's time to take a wig off because your head start getting itchy, your ears start getting itchy, your forehead, your eyes, everything just start getting itchy. Your hair just doesn't act the way that you want it to act. Like, everything is just a mess. So I don't know if you could tell right now, everything is just a mess. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to take off your wig, but keep your edges and your ears and everything else in contact. So keep watching to see how I do this process.
So first, I take my conditioner. It really doesn't matter what kind that you use as long as it's just conditioner. Next, I take my conditioner and apply it all over the perimeter of my head, and really my focus is just getting that conditioner into the lace. I feel that this really assists with taking my wig off. And one thing about it, when I'm taking my wigs off, I really want it to peel or just slip off without me having to fight with the wig. So with that being said, you guys will see me applying a substantial amount of conditioner. Here and there, you all will see me slightly kind of tug on my wig, and I feel this just lets me know how the conditioner is going with my lace. It will really tell me like if I need to apply more conditioner. This is a simple but tedious process, so when you are taking off your wigs, please have some kind of patience when you're like pulling it back like I'm doing. You want to be very gentle with it because if you just yank your wig off, obviously you're not going to have any edges. And if you notice your wig isn't budging still, just apply more conditioner. Okay, so we finally have our wig off, and the last step in this process is to just basically clean up any leftover glue, also known as residue. And the way I do this is I just take a towel and I add water and I just wipe the perimeter of my forehead, as you can see. This is what the inside of my wig looks like. As you guys can see, no hairs left over on the lace. This is just a better view so you guys can see. And here are my edges, as y'all can see, still in contact. Okay, yep. But thank you guys for watching my video. For some of you guys who may have had difficulties taking off your wigs, hopefully this was successful for you. And like I said, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you guys tune in for my next one.